today we're looking at a AP Calculus problem, finding indefinite integrals. Find the indefinite integral. Okay, this is in AP Calculus AB. Okay, so here's the problem we're going to look at. X squared plus 7x plus 3 x minus 2. So the integrand is a function x squared plus 7x plus 3 over x minus 2. That's the rational function. And what we're going to do is we're going to change that to a different form in order to get the to integrate. So side work here, and we're going to change that form by using long division. So let's look at the long division here. X squared plus 7x plus 3. X times what gives you, so x times what gives you x squared. We know that x times x gives you x squared. And we multiply here, gives you minus 2x. And you know, in any division, long division, you're subtracting. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Then on the side here, 7 minus negative 2 gives you a 9x here. And we bring down this to 3. Okay, so once we get that right there, ask yourself, x times what gives you 9x? Well, 9 here. So plus 9 is your 9x here. And 9 times negative 2 gives you a negative 18. Okay, 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 here minus negative 18 equals 21. So you need it in this form, so we're going to rewrite it as 21 over x minus 2. Okay. Now we're going to double check this just to make sure. So if you recall from basic math, mixed fraction to improper fraction improper fraction to mixed fraction is 2 1/3. So you're going to divide. And we change this to here. Well, it works the same way for here. This is just the compact form of 2 plus 1/3. So when we divide, when we check your work for this, it's just x plus 9 times x minus 2 plus 21. And when you do that, just like here, 2 times 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 over 3. This 7 is that inside part. So likewise, this should be this inside part right here. So we have x squared plus 7x minus 18 plus 21. X squared plus 7x plus 3. Okay, so you notice the correct form. Okay, so now we're gonna integrate this instead. So we're gonna write x squared plus 7x plus 3 over x minus 2 dx equals to integral of x, where is it here? Right here. X plus 9 plus 21 over x minus 2 dx. And we're going to integrate each term of that integrand separately. Okay, so if you recall, we're actually doing this. X dx plus integral 9 dx plus integral and I'm gonna plus integral 21 over x minus 2 dx. So when we do that separately, I'm gonna save this. When I do all of this, I'm gonna save the constant of integration at the end, which means technically what you see is this: 1/2 x squared. Well, just do this part: x squared plus constant integration 1 plus 9x plus constant integration 2 plus, and now here we know that integral of 1 over x dx equals to the natural log of x plus c. Okay, so then what we have is 21 natural log x minus 2 plus c3. I'm gonna combine this here. We usually skip this step, but I showed you everything here that you integrate each term separately. So you're gonna have 1/2 x squared plus 9x plus 21 natural log x minus 2 plus capital C. Now this capital C is just C1 plus C2 plus C3. So normally what we do is we can bypass this other C1, C2, C3 and just put C at the end here. This is gonna be your antiderivative. Usually you can write it as capital F of x. And to check, you remember if this is correct, if you take the derivative, the antiderivative, it returns to the integrand. So let's do that here. You're gonna have x plus 9 plus 21 times 1 over x minus 2, and integrand of constant is 0. So x plus 9 plus 21 over x minus 2. This here is just that integrand in a different form. So if you do the same thing like here, we get back to your answer right there. Okay, so your answer for this one is, I'll put an equal here so you can see it, 1/2. So this is this one right here, 1/2 x squared plus 9x plus 21 natural log of absolute value, the absolute value here, x minus 2 plus constant of integration c. And that's how to find indefinite integrals.